Hello and welcome to Andover Norton. I'm the engineer here, and one of the questions we get on the technical line on a regular basis is the sleeve gear. Now, it's usually relating to the bushes moving in and out of the sleeve gear and just chipping away. Some do it, some don't know why, but what they did for the Mark III Commando was actually put two bushes in there and secure them in with Circlips. The other thing that comes hand in hand with this is the fact that you've got to use the correct fourth gear that mates with it. The reason being, there's two different sizes. You can actually feel the difference. It's about 1 millimetre between the actual fourth gears that mate with the sleeve gear. The larger gear, if you think of the later bike, larger gear goes with the Commando sleeve gear. The sleeve gear for the Pre-Commando is different, in which case you need to use the smaller mating fourth gear that goes with it. Now, the problem arises, and whilst I was looking through the drawings for these parts, I might have found the reason why that some people get confused, especially when it comes to the 68 model. This fourth gear in December 1968 was changed from being 2 inches major diameter to 2.05 inches major diameter. Now that would suggest there's a whole lot of Commandos out there that are actually using the Pre-Commando size fourth gears. So of course when they go to replace one or the other, they end up with a mating problem. Now, if you're not sure, you can get in touch with us and we can actually tell you the measurement that you're going to need to get the correct gear to go with what you got fitted. The assumption is that these gears will fit any sleeve gear. Not quite correct. What will happen is the smaller gear will fit any of the sleeve gears, but your backlash will be massive, especially when you come to fit it on a Commando gear. The reason being is this is also a different size. There's only about 40 thou in it on the major diameter, but the root of the tooth, the teeth on the actual gear are different as well. The other thing that you get with these is the fact that there are different versions out there. We've got numerous drawings for different sleeve gears that will all go in an AMC gearbox. So be wary of what you got. This is 23 teeth. We got drawings for 28 teeth. No indication of what they were fitted to, don't know. But we got the drawings from the AMC days. The best thing and the best way of trying to tell if you've got the correct gears, the sleeve gear should be marked A or AH, in which case you need the actual mating gear marked with an A and an AH. If it's marked with anything other than that, or not at all, then you best start querying what's going to mate together correctly. The earlier gears, ours are marked with a 5 as per the drawing, but there are some out there marked with a 6, or if you turn it the other way up, it could be a 9. The drawing says a 9, but everyone says it's marked with a 6. Why, I don't know, but that's the way it is. And of course, we know some of the gears with a 6 or a 9, whatever way you want to look at it, are actually used in Commandos. And I reckon they come from the early bikes, the very early bikes. If you've got any queries or you're not sure, please feel free to get in touch with us at Andover Norton, and we'll try and help you out to the best of our ability and make sure that your gearbox works when it all goes back together. Thank you very much.